Now that we've covered some basics, let's write a program that will actually do something. And I've already created a few variables. I've got feet, meters, inches, and centimeters. And let's write a program that will convert feet into meters, inches, and centimeters, having the user enter the number of feet. So let's prompt the user with a cout. And then we'll have a cin to enter that value. And then we do the conversions. Now I could do a conversion, then I could output, then do another conversion and output, but I like to do all of my conversions first, or all of my calculations, and then my outputs. So first, let's convert to inches. Well, an inch is equal to the number of feet times 12. 1 foot would be 12 inches. Then centimeters are equal. I could look up the calculation for feet to centimeters, but I happen to know the conversion of inches to centimeters, and there are 2.54 centimeters in an inch. So if I were to take the number of inches and I multiply that by 2.54, then I have the number of centimeters, and the number of meters is equal to the number of centimeters. And if I were to multiply the number of centimeters by 100, I would get the wrong answer. But in this case, I divide by 100 because a centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. So now I've got my calculations. Once I've got that information, then I need to go in and work with that or output it. So cout, and I want fixed, and let's do 2 decimal place precision. And those are, if you remember, persistent. Now I'm going to set width. And let's make it 9 characters, not 90. And we'll output feet, but I also want it to say that it's feet. So let's come in here and say the word feet. And then again, set width. And we'll do 9 again. And the feet. And go to a new line. And we'll do the same thing with meters, inches. So we've got our feet, meters, inches, and we need our centimeters. Now when I run it, If I've not got any typos, it's going to ask me for the number of feet. Let's start with 1. And it tells me that I've got 1 foot, 0.3 meters, because we set the precision to 2 decimal places, 12 inches, and then the centimeters. But notice that the centimeter extends beyond the last character in feet, inches, and meters, and our decimals don't align. Well, the reason is the length of the word centimeter. So let's go in and change all these to 11. And now when I run it, my decimals should align. And we'll do 1 foot again. And that looks much better. Let's run it with some other numbers. Let's say 12.5 feet. So here we got about 3.8 meters, 150 inches, 381 centimeters. And we could try it with other values, 100 feet. And we can see here that we can do calculations and we can do programming that actually does something. This is still very simple, but we'll be building on that as we continue in the future. Now, if you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe.